Thinking of crossing borders and selling your goods internationally or bringing in products from abroad? Hold on a minute. One missing document, one incorrect detail, and your shipment can freeze at customs, costing you not just time, but potentially thousands of rupees in penalties and missed opportunities. In the world of international trade, documentation isn't just paperwork. It's your passport to seamless transactions. Today we're going to make sure you've got everything locked and loaded before you deal with customs, covering every crucial document you need for importing and exporting from India. If you want to purchase our professional services related import and export documentation, connect us on Fiverr or email. Links are given in description. Now let's start the video. I am CA Kashif and you are watching Business and Tax. Registration Essentials. First things first, before you even think about packaging your first product, you need to lay the foundational legal groundwork. The absolute first requirement is the Import-Export Code, or IEC. This 10-digit number is mandatory for almost any business involved in import or export. Think of it as your unique ID for international trade. It's a one-time, online registration linked directly with your PAN. Next is GST registration. If you're importing or exporting, you'll need to be GST registered. Your GSTIN is crucial for claiming tax credits on imports or for managing zero-rated exports. Also ensure you have a properly incorporated business, whether it's a proprietorship, LLP, or a private limited company. Finally, you'll need a dedicated business bank account. Crucially, your bank will provide you with an AD code, an authorized dealer code. This 7-digit code is mandatory for filing your documents with customs online. Without it, your exports cannot be cleared. Core documents for every shipment. Once your registrations are in place, let's talk about the documents that accompany every single shipment. First up, the commercial invoice and packing list. Your commercial invoice is the bill for your goods. It must contain precise details, seller and buyer info, a detailed description of the goods, quantity, total value, currency, and payment terms. Any discrepancy here can cause major customs headaches. The packing list provides a detailed breakdown of what's inside each package, specifying item names, quantities, and weights. Next are the crucial transport documents. For exports by sea, you'll need a bill of lading. This is a contract, a receipt, and a document of title all in one. If you're shipping by air, it's called an airway bill. For imports, you'll file a bill of entry. This legal document is filed with customs to provide details about the imported goods, allowing them to assess duties and clear the shipment. Lastly in this section is the certificate of origin. This document certifies which country your goods were made in. It's often required by the importing country to get preferential tariffs under free trade agreements. Customs and clearance paperwork. With your core documents ready, it's time to interface with customs. For exports, you'll need the shipping bill, also known as the bill of export. This is a mandatory customs document filed for the clearance of your goods. It's also crucial for claiming any export incentives or GST refunds. For imports, as we mentioned, the invoice and the bill of entry are paramount. If the goods are restricted, you'll also need to present any relevant import licenses. This is where a customs house agent, or CHA, is invaluable. They are licensed professionals who specialize in customs clearance, preparing and filing all these documents on your behalf to ensure your goods move smoothly. Product-specific licenses. Not all goods are created equal, and some require special attention. If you're dealing with restricted goods, you'll need specific licenses. For example, for food products, you'll need an FSSI license. For pharmaceuticals, you'll need licenses from the drug authorities. Even textiles can require special registrations depending on the country. Always check the regulations for your specific product. Beyond licenses, your buyer might demand additional certificates. These include pre-shipment inspection certificates to verify quality, and fumigation certificates, especially for wooden packaging, to prevent pests. Ignoring these can lead to the immediate rejection of your shipment. Common mistakes to avoid. Now let's talk about where things often go wrong. First, missing or incorrect values on the invoice. This is a big one. Any mismatch can trigger customs disputes and penalties. always double-check your invoice. Second, using wrong HS codes. The HS code classifies your goods internationally. Using the wrong code leads to wrong duty assessments and significant delays. Third, not linking your IEC and GST, or having an incorrect AD code registered at your ports. This will cause your electronic customs filing to fail. And finally, missing inspection certificates or product-specific licenses. For regulated goods, these are non-negotiable. A missing FSSI license for food is a guaranteed seizure. Your action plan. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't be. Here's a simple 3-step action plan. 1. Get your foundation right. Immediately obtain your IEC. Ensure your GST registration is active and your AD code is registered at your operating ports. 2. Standardize your core documents. Create templates for your commercial invoice and packing list. Understand the process for every document you'll need. 3. Research product and destination specifics. Before every new product or country, thoroughly research if any additional licenses or certificates are required. My strong advice is to create a dedicated folder for all these documents and use a pre-shipment checklist for every single consignment. This preparation will save you immense stress and money. Remember, documentation isn't just paperwork. It's your clearance, your compliance, and ultimately your credibility in the global marketplace. If this guide helped clarify the complex world of import and export, please give this video a like. Do you have specific questions? Drop them in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Business and Tax for more practical insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.